Guys, I'm Pragya Gautam and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a requested one by one of my viewers, subscriber and my good friend. In my previous vlog, she has commented me and requested for this video, and I'm really excited to share this because I have traveled with Nirvi a lot and I have done a solo international trip with Nirvi when she was 8 months old. So I'm going to give you all the tips in the next video on how to travel happily with a child, like if you're traveling solo, because that's important. But in this video I'm going to cover all the things what you should pack in a carry-on bag if you're traveling with a child. Also, I'm going to provide you the free PDF checklist for all the items I'm going to tell you in this video, so that you can download that free PDF, and when you're packing you just have PDF and you can just check all the things out that you have packed it or not. And let's start with this video. First thing is passports. Always pack your passports in a ziploc so that if there is any spill in the bag, your passports will be safe. Don't pack any pen or pencil of kind of thing in a passport ziploc, so your passport doesn't get spoiled with all the inks and kind of thing. Second thing is air bassinet. If you're traveling with a infant, you can, it is not a must, but you can also have a air bassinet, so you can entertain your baby and you can just have your baby lying like this on your lap and you can just eat your food. So it is a choice. Now let's start with what to pack on carry-on bags. So number third is diapers. If your travel is going to be more than 20 hours, definitely carry more than 20 diapers. So fourth is the diaper rash cream, and don't forget to carry the diaper balm, bottom balm as well, because your baby will be wearing more diapers, so it's good to use bottom balm whenever you're changing your baby's diaper. Number fifth is a cloth or a changing pad, just to change your baby's diaper. Number 6 is the wipes for diaper change, because you might get a poopy diaper as well. Number 7 is a burp cloth. You can take a burp cloth or you can just have a stall and you can use that stall as a burping cloth and for the feeding purpose as well. Number 8 is a plastic bag. Carry at least 1 or 2 plastic bags to keep if you have any sort of bad clothes and bad diapers or kind of thing. Yeah. Number 9 is a blanket. Carry at least 2 blankets, in which in one you can allow your baby to just hang out and sit on airports, and one you can use for covering them when they are sleeping. Number 10, at least carry 3 to 4 pair of clothes for baby because they might need changes. Number 11, you can keep 1 throw and 1 blanket, and you can use 1 throw as a cloth for your baby to play on, which he or she can play on the airports. Number 12 is a nursing cover, or you can just use that stall I told you that you can use as a burping cloth and a nursing cover. Number 13, your own clothes. At least carry 1 to 2 or 3 maybe tops, so that if your baby spills out some milk. Or number 14 is pacifier. You might need it. If your baby is a pacifier baby, you should carry it, because whenever flight is taking off, you need that so that they will not get any kind of ear pains and kind of thing. Number 15 is water bottle. If your baby has started taking water, so you should carry that. Number 16 is milk bottles. You definitely need that. 17 is snacks. Carry at least crackers, puffs and kind of that stuff, the small snack stuffs. Number 18 is travel size sanitizer, because whenever you are eating or feeding, you need that. 19 is a formula. If your baby takes formula, you should carry that. Number 20 is hot water flask. You should carry at least 1 to 2 flasks which can contain at least 16 to 20 O's of warm water if you need, because you might not get hot water in the airports, definitely, if your baby is a formula fed baby. So number 21 is hot water flask. Number 20 was hot water and number 21 is hot water flask. Number 20 is baby's food. Always carry jarred canned food if you want, if your baby has started taking it, because you might not get baby food. 23 is take few napkins, paper towels with you, just in case if you need when you're feeding your baby. Number 24 is a spoon for baby to feed them. 25, carry some fruits and snacks or juices if your baby likes. Number 26 is the consent letter of the other parent if you're traveling solo with a kid. At 27, you should not forget taking first aid. At least take some cottons and at least take some few band-aids with you. Don't forget to carry Tylenol, aspirator, nasal aspirator, gas relief, saline water, and other medication if your baby is taking, and you should definitely carry the prescription. You should definitely not forget that. 29 is toys and books. Your baby's favorite toys and books, you should definitely carry those. Number 30 is bibs, socks and mittens. Keep at least 2 to 3 extra pairs of those, because you don't know, your flight might get delayed or your baby just eat those socks and mittens and you might need a change. 31 is passenger goodie bag, which you get in the flights. So I had got diapers, baby's body lotion, and baby's powder and a toy. Definitely check with the flight agencies if they do provide that, and if they provide you the baby's lotion, that is a really good thing. And also check if they do not if they allow you to take a baby's lotion, because your baby's skin might get dry and they need some moisturizer, so don't forget to carry that. But 32 is brushes to clean the bottles, and you can definitely clean the baby's bottle, and you can in the flights and airports, and you can definitely ask flight attendants also to clean the bottle. Number 33 is a neck pillow. Don't forget to carry a neck pillow, because you might need rest, and that neck pillow you can use for feeding as well if you are a breastfeeding mom. I guess 33 items are more than enough, and I think you are good to go. If you have these 33 items, you can definitely travel solo. There's no worries, and I'm going to provide you the PDF of all the things, and just in a checklist manner, so that it will be really helpful. And I'm going to provide you that on my blog, that is www.gautampragya.com. www.gautampragya.com. That's my website, where you can download free PDF over there, and it will be such a nice help from my side to you all the moms. In my next video, I'm going to talk about all the hacks you can follow, and just to have a happy flights and just to have a happy baby when you're traveling. So it is going to be very useful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another updates from my channel, and also next video which is coming up. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your other friends and other moms, so that it will be such a nice help for them, and it will such a nice help for me. And I really get so much encouragement, and I really get so much energy when I see the like numbers a lot, and when I see the comments of you all. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.